make with a box?
Hello, my name is Ken Stewart, and I build cigar box guitars. Cigar box guitar is a stringed instrument, either with frets or without frets, that you make out of wooden boxes that cigars come in. Giving something like this a second life is meaningful because you give it a second life, you give it a second chance, and it's a lot of fun to make things with your hands too. You can make a guitar out of anything that can hold a neck on it, you can attach to. You know, you can make a ukulele out of a Kleenex box. There's no right or wrong way to do it. I think I was in first or second grade, but I got diagnosed with dyslexia, and I feel like this for my whole life. People have told me that, like, you know, you can't do certain things because you have this learning disability, and I think that doing things like this just proves that you don't have to let that kind of stuff hold you back. You can find ways to learn how to do things. Maybe you learn it a slightly different way or a less conventional way, but it means that you can still do whatever you want and be creative, be happy.